Welcome to the Zones page within Clearplan. Zones are very important for your business because they allow you the opportunity to create zones and areas within your city you can then have drivers focus on. So as you can see, I have 0 zones created. So to create your first zone, come up here to the right hand corner and click on the Create New Zone button. This takes us to the Create Zones page, and as you can see, I'm located in Reno Sparks, so the map automatically updates because I've set Chrome to say where I am. If your city doesn't show up, all you need to do is over here on the left hand side is type in your city. So let's do that for an example. So we put in, let's click on San Jose, and as you can see, San Jose loads up and you can start creating zones here. But let's go back to Reno. Now we're back in the Reno Sparks area. The way to create zones is to click on this polygon tool right here. Then to create a zone, with your mouse, you click and drag, and as you can see, the black line comes up, and you click and drag, and click and drag, and click and drag until you've closed the zone. Once you've closed the zone, this dialog box comes up and you can name this zone. So we will name this Northeast Reno. And we hit save. And now we have our zone. As you can see here, the pop-up come up that says we've saved this zone. Now you can get as granular as you want with zones. And the easy way to do that is by using your mouse. If you have a scroll wheel, you can zoom it out or you can zoom in. You can also use this left hand side right here to zoom in and zoom out of your map and move your map from side to side. So let's zoom in and let's make a more granular zone. So again, we click on the polygon tool, and now we can start wherever we want. So we're going to start here on North McCarran Boulevard. Click, and we drag, click, click again, and as you can see, I'm dragging my mouse and it's creating my zone for me. And we'll go ahead and name this zone McCarran Boulevard because we know it's up there. So we hit save. Now I have 2 zones that I've created. Let's say, for example, that you don't like this zone. You didn't draw it correctly, or you made a mistake, or you want to get rid of it altogether. All you need to do is click on that zone, click the delete button. We say yes to this. We know we want to delete it, so we're going to click OK. And now your zone is gone. So let's go ahead and draw another zone. We're going to move the map, and I'm moving the map by clicking my mouse and dragging it. Again, you can move the map by using this control, and you can go in and out using that control as well. So we're going to grab this polygon, and we'll come down here, and we're just going to follow the interstate here. And we'll go down here, and we're just going to make this come straight up, across, back to that interstate, and we've created this zone, and we'll name this zone Northwest Reno, and we'll hit save. Now you can make your zones as granular as you want, and you can make as many zones as you want. Zones are important because when you actually use the map and your data points and your addresses are on the map, zones help you filter repossession jobs. The other thing you can do is you can overlap zones. So we're going to zoom in here. This is our Northwest Reno zone. But if I wanted to overlap, it's easy. All I do is grab the polygon tool, and I can start wherever I want, come over, and I can completely overlap that zone. And I'll close it, and we'll name this zone overlap Northwest Reno. And we'll save it. So as you can see, creating zones is pretty easy. I just created 3 zones and it took me very little time. Again, you can get as granular as you want. All you need to do is zoom into the map. We can go way down in here and you can create zones this way. We can do just this block if we wanted to. And we'll name this zone small block and click save. So to delete a zone, it's very easy. You click on it, click delete, and that zone is gone. Now to view all your zones, you can click this button up here on the left hand corner, view all zones. And this will take you into the zones page where you can see all the zones that we've created. And then you have your actions. You can view it on the map, edit, or delete that zone from here. So remember, zones is very important for your business. And don't be afraid to create many zones and delete them. Make granular ones, make giant zones. Have fun. Thanks.